Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure YouTube Studio to monetize with AdSense, full guide step by step clearly. First, sign in to your YouTube account. Navigate to YouTube Studio by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. In the left-hand menu, select Monetization. Before you start the monetization process, ensure your channel meets the eligibility requirements. Once you confirm your eligibility, click on Start on the monetization page. You will see 3 requirements to fulfill for monetization. The first requirement is to agree to the YouTube Partner Program. Click on Review Partner Program Terms. Read through the terms, and if you agree, click on I accept. The next requirement is to create an AdSense account. If you already have an AdSense account, link it to your YouTube channel. If you do not have an account, click on Create Account. Follow the prompts to set up your new AdSense account. Provide the necessary information such as your name, address, and payment details. Once your AdSense account is created, return to YouTube Studio. The third requirement is to enable monetization for your videos. You will need to select the videos you want to monetize. Click on the monetization toggle for each video you wish to enable ads on. You can choose between different ad formats such as overlay ads, skippable ads, or display ads. After enabling ads, your changes will automatically be saved. Now, it's time to review your channel's monetization status. YouTube will review your channel to confirm you meet all monetization criteria. This review process can take a few weeks. Once approved, you will receive a notification in your YouTube Studio. After approval, focus on creating engaging content to maximize your ad revenue. Keep an eye on your analytics to understand your audience better. Utilize features in YouTube Studio to track your earnings and performance. Regularly check your AdSense account for payment notifications. Monitor your eligibility as it may change based on your channel's performance. Remember to stay updated on YouTube's monetization policies and guidelines. Now you are all set to start monetizing your channel with AdSense. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.